Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And good evening to all my dear students. So last class we are learning about how to maintain journal entry. Okay, so the recording of bookkeeping to post them to maintaining the journal entry. Now we are going to learn about journal entry to the next step of ledger account. Okay, so now we are going to learn about ledger account. So class 11th accountancy chapter number 4 ledger account. Okay, so exercise number 1, journalize the following transaction and post them to the ledger. Journalize and following transactions. So they are given 3 transactions. 2016 January 1st started business with cash 10,000, date 5 paid into bank 5,000, and date 7 purchase goods from Ram for cash 1,000 rupees. There are 3 transactions are given, so you have to maintain journal and ledger, post into the ledger. So you know well what is journal. So in the books, the day-to-day transactions, the recording the books of account is well bookkeeping. So we have to post them to transfer to the journal entry. First they have to write journal entry, then after go to ledger account. Okay, so journal entry I am given a format. So started business with cash. So you know well this is a cash account, this is a real account. Okay, so all the cash transactions account is called real account. You know well. So last I post into the in YouTube in my channel which one is a real account, which is normal account, which is a personal account. So I am already told that. So started business with cash is a real account. In journal entry, first of all real account. Okay, so real account, the format is debit. What is debit and credit here? So debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay, so what comes in, which one is comes in, goes out. So cash. So we have to maintain only recording the books of cash only. Okay, so cash comes in or cash goes out. We have to only mind concept is cash related to the account. Okay, so started business with cash 10,000 rupees. So what comes in? Cash comes in because business started. So cash will be started. Cash will be invested in the business. So cash account data. So first of all you have to write date and year 2016 January 1st. Okay, so cash comes in. Okay, cash account data to who is invested. The name is not given. So capital account. The purpose of cash is not invested is capital. Okay, so capital account. So how much? 10,000 rupees. So in data account 10,000 rupees, in credit account 10,000 rupees. Being the narration is being business started. Okay, so one transaction is enough. The next date 5 paid into bank. So I am already told that so cash is comes in or cash is goes out. So in the purpose of so cash will be goes to bank. Okay, so which one is comes in? Bank is comes in. Okay, so bank account data, cash will be out of, cash will be in our hand. Cash is invested. Cash is paid into bank. So cash will be out. So what comes in? Bank will be comes in. So bank account data to cash account being paid into bank. Okay, how much? 5,000 rupees. Okay. The next the third transactions of the journal is date 7 purchase goods from Ram for cash. So we are purchase the goods from Ram. So with cash, so cash will be goes. So what comes in purchase? So what is purchase they are not given. So furniture purchase, machinery purchase, so they are not given which one is which goods is purchased. So we have to record only purchase account. Purchase account data to cash will be goes. Purchase goods, any goods. So purchase will be comes in and cash will be goes out because cash purchase to cash account. How much? 1,000 rupees. So in data account 1,000 rupees and credit account to credit account 1,000 rupees. Okay. Being the narration is being cash purchase. That's all. Okay. Okay. Then next we have to write down the solution of journal. Then next the foreign transaction and post them to the ledger. So next the step is goes to ledger account. Okay. So how to? So what is ledger account? So ledger account is nothing but the individual account will be opened. Okay. So individual account will be opened. So separate person cash account. So cash account, capital account, bank account, cash already we have opened. Then purchase account. So cash already opened. Okay. So there are given transactions. We have to write down the journal entry. We have to open the account. Ledger account is individual account will be opened. Okay. So first cash account. Okay. First cash account. We have to open the ledger account of cash account. Date column. Okay. Date column. Particular column. Amount column. Date column. So first we have to JF column. Okay. So JF column. So date. Sorry down. Date. Particulars. JF. So what is the mean of LF? So I have already told the journal entry. So LF. So I will remind to you. What is LF? LF means ledger folio. Okay. So this account will transfer to ledger account. This is called ledger folio LF. Okay. So what is the mean of JF? In ledger account, what is the mean of JF? JF means journal folio. So in the account of journal is transferred to ledger account. This is called the JF column. So amount, date, particular, JF column. Okay, then amount column. Okay. First we have to open the account, cash account. Okay. Cash account. And next date column, particular column, JF column, amount column, date column, JF column, okay, and then amount column. Date, particular, right, date, particular, JF, amount, date, particular, JF and amount. Okay. Amount column. Okay. The next third account. Date column, particulars column, JF column, amount column, date column, amount, date, particular, JF, sorry, amount. Okay, so three account, then fourth account. Sorry, students. I have to use students. You will use this scale. Okay. Ditto same the table. Okay, so date column, don't waste the space, particulars, JF, amount, date, particular, JF, and amount. Okay, so first cash account opened, the next capital account. Capital account, the next bank account. Each account will be opened. Bank account. So cash already opened. Purchase account. Okay. Then cash already we have to open the in account individual column. Okay. Then first then student how to post them to the journal entry to the ledger account. Okay, so first of all cash account, this is the debtor column, debtor column, debit side, this is the credit side. Okay, debit debtor and creditor, debtor side, creditor side. Okay, so I have to simply cash and bank. Okay, cash and bank. I am simply to told you how to post them to the ledger. Okay, so cash will be paid to bank. Okay, cash will be paid to bank, and bank will be accept the cash. Bank accept the cash. Okay, so in I'm asking to simple. So for example, in our staff, teacher staff, or any government staff, or any employers, the employer's account, the salary will be credited in our account. Okay, so we have to withdraw the cash. So we have to debit it in our amount. 10,000, 20,000, so what it may be. So we have to withdraw the cash debited in our account. So at the time of the person, the employee, in the bank account, the credit in our credit to in our account 10,000 rupees. So we have to bank will be credited to employee 10,000 rupees. So credited at the same time. In bank column debited 10,000. For example, Akbar sir, so 10,000 rupees is his salary is credited. Okay, so at the same time in bank account what happening? So debited 10,000 rupees. Okay, so at the same time I have to credit 10,000. I'm withdraw the cash. What happening? So in my account 5,000 rupees debited. So 5,000 is remaining in my account, balancing account. So cash will be paid to bank. So what happening in the same time in debit side. Okay, for example, 10,000 rupees in cash. So 5,000 rupees was paid to bank. Okay, so paid to bank. So what happening? So debited. In cash column, debited. Okay. At the same time, what have to was the transaction is the bank credited to bank. Credited to bank. Okay. So in bank account, so 5,000 rupees will be credited. Okay, so 5,000 rupees will be credited at the same time. So at the time of bank paid to, which means given salary to employee. So what happening? 10,000 rupees is 10,000 is sent to the employee. So cash will be sent to the employee. So what happening? Debited. So at the same time, the employees what happening? Credited to 10,000. Okay, so credited to employees credited. What happening? 10,000 rupees will be credited in the employee. Okay, so at the same time in bank column, what happening? 10,000 will be debited. Okay, so this happening is doing on the journal entry to ledger account. Okay, so now we are going to the ledger account. Cash account data to capital accounts. Cash account data to capital account. So cash account, what happening? Cash account to capital. The purpose of cash is invested. What purpose? To capital. To capital, not from to capital. So cash is invested to capital 10,000 rupees. Okay, so 2016 January 1. So to capital. This is two column. This is by column. So two. Okay, so two, which means invested two. Okay, then in cash column to capital account. At the same time in capital column to in capital column, what happening? So which is invested, cash or goods? So cash is invested. Okay, in by column, by cash account, in capital account, what is comes in capital account? Cash or goods. So cash is comes in. Okay, so cash will be invested. So 10,000 rupees in by column. By 10,000 rupees capital. Okay, so 2016 January 1. Okay, so one transaction is over. The next is bank account data to cash account. In bank column, in cash will be paid into bank. So bank account to paid to bank. What is deposited? Cash is deposited to cash account. How much? 5,000 rupees is deposited to bank. Okay, so 2016 January 5. Okay, January 5. So 2016. So in bank account, cash will be paid. Okay, so 5,000 rupees is credited to the debtor side. Okay, then at the same time, what happening in cash account? Cash will be in bank cash will be deposited. So at the same time in the cash we have to maintain. I will deposit it in the I will deposit 5,000 rupees from where? Bank account. Okay, so by bank account, so 5,000 rupees will be paid. So this is the writing of procedure. So 2016 January 5. So date, month, year is very, very important. Okay, student. Then the third transactions of purchase account data to cash account. So goods will be purchased at the same time cash will be paid. Okay, so purchase account. So in purchase account, what happening? Cash will be given. Okay, then we have to purchase. So purchase account data to cash account. Cash will be given. So cash will be outside. Goes to the party, which means I think the RAM. Okay, so goods from RAM. So cash will be paid. So 1,000 rupees. 2016 January 7. Okay, 7. So 10,000 rupees. At the same time, in cash account. In cash account, by purchase, because of why purchase will be write down. So cash will be the purpose of cash is paid because of purchase, by purchase. Okay, by purchase account. So date 7, how much? 10,000 rupees. Okay, that's all. So how many we have to check the transaction, the write down transaction correct entry or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 4, 6, 6 transaction will be write down. So entry is perfect, alhamdulillah. Then next we have to close. Then any no other entries, so we have to close them. Okay, close them to account. First of all, in debit side and credit side, debtor column and credit column, which one is valuable? Which one is value is a higher value? So 10,000. This is a higher value. 10,000 rupees will be write down. Same at the same in credit side, 10,000 rupees. So how much is difference? 5,000 plus 6,000. So 5,000 plus 1,000, 6,000. Okay. So difference between the 6,000 and 4,000, 6,000 and 10,000, 4,000 is difference amount. Okay. So 4,000 is a difference amount. So by balance carry down or closed down also. So January in the month of 31st closed every month closed date 31st at the depends on the month of depends on the month. Okay, so 31st December January by balance carried on 4,000 rupees. Okay. For better attraction, for correction the teachers. Okay. The next in capital account, only one amount is only one transaction amount is recorded. So at the same you have to 10,000 is balancing for it. At the same time, no any amount is created posted to the data side. So we have to close it to balance carry down 31st January. Okay, so sorry, you have to answer is write down to the other pen because it's for attraction. Okay, the next this account is also bank account is also only one person is recording here. So 5,000 same amount is write down in credit side. So by balance carried on how much the same 31st December 31st January how much the same amount of 5,000 rupees. Yes, sir. Then next purchase account, cash account is 1,000 rupees, the same amount 1,000 rupees in the credit side. Okay, so the answer is difference 1,000 rupees. It's by balance carried on. Okay, 1,000 rupees. So this is known as the journal and posting to the ledger account. Okay. So dear students, I hope to everyone this is very well useful for you and I hope to all the students learning easily inshallah. Thank you and Jazakallah khair for your cooperation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please subscribe, like and share for me. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.